single point of reference that provides preview of font to help the designers to compare different fonts using CSS selector and properties. Come down. So the catalog of font specimen found in this particular online open source portal. So they have provided the complete preview can be seen in PDF. Can you click that PDF? So you have to replica this page. I think you need to open. Wait, I'll tell you. Open index.html. It is taking longer time. Go back. Or the. So guys, wait. They have provided HTML with all the content preloaded. And one more thing I want to say is, so they have provided all the font family link. So whatever the font we want to use, Open Sans, Roboto, all the fonts, all the font link, you can click and check in this googleapis.com. Slowly scroll down. Down, come to body part. No. So listen, so line number 375. So there is body, header, H1 heading, pentagram font catalog, and they have loaded this GIF image. So we have 3 links, Latin, Devangri and Arabic font. So you don't need to do anything till this part, but you have to work on section. So again, under section, line number 388, they provided the style for Latin font, but you need to start styling for your list. So I think you need to do it for line number 390. So line number 390, you have first list, which is Open Sans font. So there were 2 paragraphs. The first paragraph is title. So, and the second paragraph is content. This content, you need to apply this particular style, font or font family. And again, in the second list, this particular content, you need to apply to Roboto style. All the style link has been provided in your header block link. So whatever the required expected output they have provided in PDF. So even if you open the problem statement in your README file, you will be finding a snap of the expected output. So can you go back? No, click back. Come down. Down, come down. Can you see? Wait, now this image, scroll up. Scroll up. No need to do this. Pentagram font catalog is heading, center align. All the content are center aligned. What is the body background color? So what is the background color?
Black.
I'm just giving a hint. One is background color black and font color is white. And all the fonts are and heading as well as content are arranged in center text alignment. And this is a GIF image. This is an heading. And there were anchor link. You no need to do anything till here. And we have Latin font. So you need to work from this list. So Open Sans. What you have observed here. So Open Sans is my font family, which is underlined. And I have centralized content, which is in Open Sans font family, followed with Roboto, followed with all the fonts. So I don't know. Yesterday, roughly, we discussed some 341 fonts are there. So if you look into the list, you will be finding 341 list. So I and Hasib decided it will take a lot of time. It's no use. So you just subtract 372 minus some 10. So some 341 fonts are there. So you take first 10 fonts or first 15 fonts. You take first 15 list and you apply the style to those lists. I want all of you to use either internal style sheet or I'm giving, you can use external style sheet. Apply the style for body, apply the style for heading. All your list heading should be underlined, followed with your paragraph. Almost before we knew it, we had left the ground. That content you need to apply anyway inline style for the respective font. So whichever the common style you can apply in your external style sheet or internal style sheet with style selector. Apart from that, for each and every content to appear in respective font, no other go. You need to apply inline style. Can you able to relate? So certain thing which is common. So whatever the property which is common for list, for paragraph, you can use internal style. Whereas if you take the second paragraph, it should have some common alignment, let's say center, font color, background, which is all common. But if you take font family, so it is based on the respective family which they have provided. So here you need to use inline, remaining all you can use internal or external. So check, is there any possibility to use, what is that? Combinator selector. So I want you to use CSS for type selector or ID selector. Yeah, it will be required. So in this sprint, it is required to use combinator selector. Why we want to apply combinator selector? Can you copy and paste the link in the next tab? Or I'll give you time. No, don't. You just copy the URL. Asinath, copy the URL. Open the next tab. Paste it. Open in a new tab. Here, what are you doing? Click new, press new tab and paste the same URL. Go back and click the preview. Click this link. Click this link. And click preview. This preview is taking longer time. Or you come down. You go to readme. Come down. Down. I just wanted to compare. Wait. I want to compare my index, the index page with the output. Is it required to apply combinator selector? Think. Go to index.html. So you can find list tag. So after every list, there is a paragraph. Do you follow any special functionality for this paragraph?
Access it one.
Go to preview. So do you find any uniqueness? You can check the preview. So if you notice, underline. So underline is something common for the first paragraph, the adjacent sibling of my list. So possible you can use after every list tag, whichever the paragraph which is immediately followed with list should be underlined. You think it's not practically possible to apply the font, inline font for all 300 list, but you can try for first 15 or 20. Anywhere you got struck, immediately you call us. So try to complete yesterday's sprint and today's sprint. So to it, after some time, we will discuss on the display property. Thank you, Kasinath. Ramya, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So get ready, Ramya. I want to connect to you in the breakout room. Not only Ramya, so I want to have some technical discussion on few of the learners. So I'll start with Ramya. Whomsoever I'm calling in the breakout room, please join. Okay, Hasif, over to you. Please take care. Taking Ramya to breakout room 2. Hasif, I'm going to breakout room.
Yeah, Sangeeta, yes, yeah.
Thank you.
All of you, please clone this sprint just now, which is being discussed by the Sangeeta ma'am, and start working on it. There are more than 300 set of paragraphs, set of list items are there. First 15 you do the formatting. For the first 15 you use the styling. Clone the project, open the project folder in Visual Studio, and in that project, in the head section, you have all the link from where you are going to take the font family or font style, and then that style you just add it in your respective paragraph. All of you are clear with what you are supposed to do. Yesterday's sprint and today's sprint, try to complete in another 1 hour. Please let me know, guys, if you are not getting anything or if you are not able to proceed with the sprint. Let me know.
Asif sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Sir, in problem, there will be 15 only you have to give na, sir.
Yeah, only 15 you have to do, yes.
Yeah, but in starting, we have to take the 15 links only.
And let it be. In the header section, there are 300 link, let it be. You use from here, you use only 15. Okay.
Use 15. And
Yeah,
use
first one should be Open Sans, second one Roboto, third one UC Magic, like that.
Yeah, but it is not in the center. We have to adjust.
Yeah, so the total thing you have to make it center. Total thing you wrap it under a div and make it center.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so when you want to move the full thing either center, right or left, you have to put the full thing under one div, and then that div, if you make it center, automatically inside that div, what is there, it will go to the center.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. One by one, if you make it center, it's for 300, it will take 5 hours. Okay. So
Yes,
together you put everything under one div. That div, the wrapper div, you move it to the center. Yes, everyone, what is the progress? All of you are working? Anybody, any one of you have completed any one of the sprint?
No, sir. Right now we are practicing the old example first.
Okay, old example. Okay. Once it is done, then you go for the sprint 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In sprint 3, if you require any guidance, how you are going to add the font family to the paragraph within a list, let me know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Hi, Priya. Which one you are doing, Priya?
Yes, sir. Pending assignment. I'm working on.
Which one you are working on, Priya?
Print 3.
Sprint 3. That font catalog. Font
Yes,
catalog.
Yesterday, third question.
Yesterday's. Okay, okay, fine. Is it okay? It's going on smoothly, no issues?
No issue, sir.
Okay. What about Joel? Which one you are doing?
Sprint 3, sir.
Sprint 3. Font catalog, no? Pentagram
Yeah.
font catalog. Okay.
Sir,
Are you able to see the changes in the font style?
That I am trying to do, sir.
Yeah, okay. So see, I'll just give you a small hint. Which font style you want to change? There you have to write style equal to font family, colon, then the font family name, which is there in the header section.
Okay.
Okay, so which content style you want to change? There you have a inline CSS style equal to double quoted font hyphen family colon, and then take the style from the header. The family equal to something is there. 300 options are there. So select the proper respective option from there, and then the styling will be done. Fine.
Style equal to?
You just share your screen. I'll tell you. You'll share your screen. Yeah. So style equal to right font family. No, you. What about your all the in a head section? Go to your head section. Okay, fine. All the things are there in head section.
Yeah.
Okay. From here, font family, colon. Yeah, colon. Now you go to go to head section. Yeah. First one is which style? First one is go there, go up, scroll fully up. Yeah, first one is Open Sans. Copy this. Open plus Sans. Copy this. Copy this and paste it there as a value of the font family attribute. Yes. After colon and plus you remove, give a space. Instead of plus, have a space there. Yes, that's it. And the double quote should be closed after sans. No, yeah, before semicolon. Yeah. Semicolon is not required, leave it. Because there is only one property value. Now you run and check. Is it got changed?
No, the font is changed. But
Yeah. Open Sans is changed. Now you go to the Roboto.
Yeah.
Second one, you go for Roboto. How you will go for Roboto? Second one, tell me.
Same.
How to make the second paragraph of the second list Roboto? What you will do?
Style equal to font family Roboto.
Ah, that is the thing. This is the task. Got it now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So like that, 10 to 15 style you need to work on for all this list item.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't go for all the 300, not required. See, Roboto, it has changed to Roboto.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the font family, actually third-party font family we are using. Google API is giving some their customized font family or customized style of the text. That font family we are using in our text when we are creating web page. That is the thing over here. There are some predefined font families are there by HTML, and here we are using third-party font family, which is from Google API. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. So Google API has more options than normal HTML5. What it is giving us options as a font family, and they have a very Google API is having very different type of and very good looking style. So when you want to make our web page so attractive, we'll go for some customized font. We are going to take a help of the free Google API font. Yes, carry on. Please, rest of the other 10 to 15 styling, you just make it.
Okay.
Make it work.
Can I stop sharing?
sharing. Yeah, stop sharing. What about Surmani Konsam? Which one you are doing, Surmani? Surmani, am I audible? Are you there? Praveen? Praveen, are you there, Praveen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which one you are doing, Praveen? Can you show me if you have done some significant progress on anything?
No, I'm doing yesterday's sprint.
Yesterday's sprint. How much you have done in yesterday's sprint?
So almost all completed. Last I'm doing logistics.
Okay. Carry on. Kashinath, which one you are doing?
Sir, the third one.
Third one. Okay. Are you getting the look
Yes,
and feel? Yeah, you are getting
trying
the
it.
check. Yeah, okay. Font style is getting changed, right? When you are going to use different font family.
Yes, sir, like working on it only.
Okay, working. Fine, fine. Jayashree, what is your status?
Doing yesterday's one, sir. I have done it half. I want to complete it.
Which one you are doing?
Yesterday's sprint.
Yesterday's sprint. Okay. Fine. These are simple sprint, right, Jayashree?
Yes, sir.
Are you finding any difficulties while doing this?
No, but that section and article where I need to apply.
Yeah, see, you just logically think, no, where the introduction is a one section, then what is it called? Means a different topic is a different section of a web page. So totally full web page is having so much of content. It is not everything together is a one section. So based on the topic, you are going to have a multiple section, and then every section will have an article. That's it, nothing else. Okay.
And instead of what we have to apply or
no, for this there is nothing else except section and article. Okay.
So and the remaining things like headings and paragraphs, we have to use it like before only. But
no, it was just as it. See, it would be as it the code whatever is there. It would be as it is how you have written previously. Only thing you have to separate that total coding into different section, and all the text should be under article. So P before P article open, after P article close, like that.
And before heading article open, and after heading
before heading
section
the section
open.
open. Yes, yes. And when that particular part is over, then section closed.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. What about Siddharth? What is your progress? Siddharth, are you there? Siddharth? Kalapala?
Yes, sir.
Siddharth. Which one you are doing?
What, sir?
Which sprint you are doing?
Sir, the sprint ma'am has given rolled out now.
Okay, third one.
No, sir, the recent sprint ma'am has given.
Okay, that Pentagram font catalog, no? Font catalog.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you able to see the changes of the font when you
yes,
give
sir,
the difference?
We just have to make it to the align to the center.
Yeah, align to the center and add a font family with respective name to every
yes, sir.
paragraph of the list item. Yes. If you require, do you require any help, or you will be doing by yourself?
No, sir. I'll do it.
Okay, fine.
I'm familiar with the front end.
Okay, good. If you got stuck anywhere, anybody, don't just sit idle. You take a help and then you proceed further. You have to complete this too. Okay. So if you are not finding a way how to go about it, ask us. We are going to guide you, and then rest of the thing you do it. Okay. Don't just sit idle if you have got stuck anywhere. Though you will not get stuck for this kind of sprint, but still, I'm telling you.
Sir, I need help in yesterday's sprint.
Yeah, Vivek, share your screen.
Yeah, sir, this one, how to do it.
Still your screen not got shared, Vivek. Yeah. This one you are having doubt?
Yeah, sir, I am absent yesterday.
Okay. Scroll down.
Yes.
Yeah. See what you should do, you scroll up. Do you know how to add an image in the web page? What tag you should use?
No, sir, give a hint of tag so that I explore in Google.
Vivek, have you cloned the sprint in your local drive?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, oh, go there, go there. Remove this one, whatever you have written. This is your cloned index.html.
Yes, sir.
Pentagram font catalog. I want to see the folder structure. Click over here.
There it is.
No, here, click this one, click on this one. I have marked it, top left. Open folder. Where is that folder? Yeah. Come one step back. HTML, click on HTML. Yeah, one step back you come. Select the folder, Pentagram font catalog. Select the folder. Now, yeah, select this folder. It has not opened, no? It is coming now. Yeah. See, what do you do? Yeah, go for yes, trust. Now, first thing in index.html, write HTML. After this line, no need to delete. Just after this line, write HTML. No, don't give angular bracket. Just type HTML. From the second, select the second option from suggestion. Okay. Now, in a body, you open a IMG tag. Open angular bracket. Lesser than sign. Within a body. Lesser than sign. IMG. IMG, then space. IMG, then SRC. SRC equal to see in your assets, you go to the asset from the left hand side. Yeah, go to asset, click on asset. There is a PNG, there is an image is there which you should add in your web page. Okay, copy the file name, rename it and copy the file name. Copy. Yeah, and then in SRC within double quote you put forward slash within a double quote.
Yes, sir. This one, sir.
Type assets. This one. Asset. Type there. Click on this. Click on from the intelligence. Again forward slash. Give the image name. Google font.png. Now close the IMG tag. Close and close greater than sign. So now what you have? You have got now you'll get the image in your web page. Run it. Save it and run it. How to run it? Do you know?
Yes. So image has not come. That means there is some issue in the path. Close minimize this window. Minimize this browser. Okay. Before asset, don't give forward slash. Before asset, don't remove it. Yeah. Now you try. Save it and run it. Live server you have to install so that yeah, it came. Okay, so that is the image. That is how you are going to get an image. Fine. Okay. Okay, sir. Rest of the thing I do it.
Rest of the thing you refer how to add a
unordered list. How to add a unordered list? What is the tag for unordered list? UL, LI, and then you have a number of content for the. You have, I think, there are some text are there which you have to put it in the unordered list, and with dot 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 all the all the list item will be displayed. Check the
Okay.
problem statement and learn unordered list and then do it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, fine. By 4 o'clock, all of you, can you finish these two sprint? Possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because 4 to 5, I'll take one concept session on display property of CSS. Okay, so that's why I'm asking. So all of you complete these two sprint by 4 o'clock and update me.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Kudus.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me, what is your doubt?
Can I share my screen, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, here while underlining the paragraph, how can we do it for only for this heading, sir?
It has been only for this heading. How you will underline it?
Yeah, sir. I have used this tag. So it's
no. See here, you have a means LI P. So there are two P's is there, no?
Yes, sir.
So you have to for all the first P you have to give one class.
Yes, sir. For that, what I have to do?
No, well, for every list item first P you give a class. Class equal to.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and
I have to declare a class here.
You have to let it be style how it is. Yeah, you have to declare a class there. Declare it. Class equal to.
Okay, sir.
Class equal to first P, suppose. Space. Class equal to first P. A P1 everywhere. For the second list item also class equal to P1.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and that you use. You use in a style wherever you are doing the styling. Yeah, there you write li, right? No, it is not. Class means not hash. Class means dot. Dot P1, yeah, like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so every okay.
Asif sir.
Sir,
Yes, who is this? Guys, another half an hour to 40 minutes. By 4 o'clock, I want all of you to complete these 2 sprint.
So only use 15 tags. No, sir.
Sorry, Vivek. Vivek, your voice is breaking, echoing.
So only 15 lines we have to change, no, sir?
Yeah, only 15 LI. You have to work on only 15, 10 to 15 LI.
Sir, I have done, sir.
You have done
Can
it?
Yes, sir. Can I upload the URL?
Okay, just you have shown me the screenshot, right? Just now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have approved it, no?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can send it back. Yeah, push to the repository and update the link.
Thank you, sir.
So can I share my documents?
Yes, Adesh.
The phones I have changed for the proper LI. I want to know one thing. Can I do like this LI plus P in this one style?
What you are achieving with LI plus P? So
I want to achieve this thing to be underlined. This
no,
the
that is
adjacent paragraph to this. Okay.
Is it working? Because
No,
all
it's
the
not working.
no, P is a child of LI. It is not the sibling, no. So it will not work. Getting? See, P is within LI. P is not in the same level of LI. Both the P are same level. Both the P are siblings, but P is the child of LI. Got it? So this way it is not possible. So what do you do? Every first P of all LI, you give a class, and that class you use it to give the underline. Fine. Adesh, am I clear?
What you are saying?
What I am saying, first P of all LI, you give it a class. Add a class to that. Class equal to suppose P1.
Yeah.
Yeah, here, yeah. Class equal to suppose P1. This you give it to all first P of all the LI. Double quote, double quote. P1 should be under double quote. Yeah, this should be for the next LI. First P also will have the same class name.
Okay.
Okay, and that class name you use it in a style tag to do the decoration underline. Does it make sense? Adesh, did you get it? What you are supposed to do?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now you can stop sharing. Yes?
Sir, I have Slack this one. Kashinath.
Oh, okay, Kashinath, let me check.
I'll check mine also.
Okay. Yeah, Kashinath, good job.
Sir, Hasib sir.
Yeah.
Shall I share my screen?
Yeah, Tejas, good job. Yeah, you share your screen. Who is this?
Harshad. Hello, sir.
Yeah, see, Vivek, you are saying there are too many LI are there. You take the first 10 or 15 LI and work on that. Okay, Vivek?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Harshad.
Yeah, who has a doubt? Surmani, who wants to speak?
Harshad.
Harshad, yeah. You want to share your screen, is it, Harshad?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, I was trying for the external styling over here.
Okay.
Sir, I'm not able to understand what's going wrong.
What is external CSS? You want that help, right?
Yes, sir. I'm trying here.
Yeah, see, where link type text /CSS No, it is href. Here it is href, not ref. The demo CSS dot, yeah. Now it will work, I think.
Okay, sir. Slide.
Okay, good, Harshad. Good question.
Okay.
See, all of you have to be familiar how to write a inline CSS, how to means all of you practice after this session, today's session, after in the evening, all of you write a 3 code where the first code will be using inline CSS, second code would be internal CSS, and third code should be external CSS. You just make some text color red, and this color reading has to be done with 3-way: inline as well as internal as well as external. So this practice I want you, all of you, to be done after this session. Okay, so that you got to know there are how all the 3 ways the CSS can be implemented on a HTML content. Fine. Okay. If I ask you somebody, can you use external CSS? All of you can do that. Possible?
Yes, sir.
If I ask you, through external CSS, you make a paragraph color red. Who wants to demonstrate it? Those who have done the sprint, among them, anybody who volunteer is there who will show us how from the external CSS, HTML particular paragraph, I will make it red. Who wants to demonstrate it?
Sir, I'll do it.
Okay, Kudus. Go ahead. Share your screen and show all of us. Show to all of us. We'll get to know. Those who have a doubt or not completely sure what to be done in external CSS, for them it would be a helpful session. Create a normal
screen visible, sir?
Yeah, it is visible. Yes. Open a new HTML file and have a paragraph there. Those who have a confusion how external CSS work, for them, it is a demonstration. It's a demo. Go to HTML, select demo 2. Okay, fine. Whatever maybe the way you'll do it, fine. Have a paragraph there. Write something on the paragraph. Now you through inline CSS make that paragraph red. Through in first example for inline CSS, using inline CSS make the paragraph red.
Okay.
I will do that. Inline. First, I want you to make the inline. Inline CSS means there would be a style property attribute. For the style attribute, there is a color property and value is red. Run it and show us.
It's running side by side.
Okay, running. Yeah, correct. Now, same thing you do it with internal.
Okay.
Those who are not sure, take a screenshot of the inline. 1 second, take a screenshot of this inline example of making some paragraph red. So once you have taken the screenshot, now you go for same thing. You do it with internal. Yeah, delete this. Same thing I want to do it in internal. So in a internal, I need to have a style tag under head. Within a style, I need to select the element which I want to make red. And then after, so P got selected and P color, I want to make it red. So this is what internal CSS. Take a screenshot. Those who don't have the don't know how to do the internal CSS styling. Okay. Now you go for the external CSS. Same thing I want to do it in the external. So in the external, style tag within a head tag is not required. The CSS code would be in a separate file. External means what? The CSS coding would be in the separate file. which would be linked from the HTML. First thing, you need to have the external .css extension file. In that CSS file, you have the selector, CSS selector P, which is what I want to color, and then color property will have red. So you have a CSS file ready parallelly with your HTML file that you need to link it from the HTML so that the CSS file styling will have an effect on the HTML file. How to do the linking? You need to little bit register the way of linking in your mind. You have to remember, you have to by heart this line. Link within a head tag, link, then href, CSS file name within a double quote, and rel style sheet, and type equal to, you add type also, type equal to text/CSS. So this you have to remember, or you need to by heart. This is how you are going to link CSS from HTML. Href attribute will have the file name of the CSS. Rel would be always as it is style sheet. Type would be always as it is text/CSS, and link would be as it is the link tag. Yeah, now run it. Yeah, welcome NIT. Change the color from the in external CSS, red to green. Yeah. So then now external means there are two files. CSS coding is in a different file. All of you clear? Any confusion? So okay, now you yeah, stop sharing, Kudus. Okay, I'll ask someone. Anuj, are you there, Anuj? Anuj? Yeah. You have a doubt, Ayush?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have flagged you.
Sorry?
I have flagged you, sir.
You have slacked me. Who is this?
Kudus, sir.
Kudus, okay, fine.
Sir, I want to know how to change the font style of this.
Yeah, so you decide. You want to use inline CSS? Okay, yeah, you have to use inline CSS or internal CSS. You want to use inline CSS, right?
Sorry, inline.
Yeah.
Means you are talking about embedded, right?
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you, Ayush.
Sir, internal means you are talking about embedded.
Yeah, internal means embedded, yes, with a style tag in head section.
Okay, sir, first of all, can you tell me about inline?
Yeah, write style, type style there. Style equal to font family, colon. Yeah, now you take the family from the list of the link which is Google API is providing.
So this one.
Yeah, Open Sans, yes. Whenever no, only the family name, family equal to.
Sir, I didn't get you. What are you trying?
No, only this much you have to copy. This one, family name, family equal to this. This is the font family name. Family also you don't have to copy, only the name of the family.
Okay, sir.
Getting? Yeah. And wherever plus is there, you replace with a space. Font family, yeah, give it there. Replace plus, you replace with a space. Plus you remove plus symbol. Open plus sans is there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. You're done.
Yeah, sir. So, sir,
okay.
Sir, half of this I have done with this, and half of them I am doing like this.
Class underline and here there's any underline where you have defined underline. Show me.
Yeah.
Correct. Good job. No issues.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good way of doing it. Fine.
Sir, I'm not getting the desired output.
Why, Adesh?
Can I show you?
Yeah, please share.
Suppose this is the style and
No, not
family.
font style, font family, Adesh. Not font style.
Okay.
Okay, so all the font style you change it with font family, then it will work. First one you did it font family.
Yeah, I'll change.
Okay, okay. Guys, all of you have completed.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Adesh.
That doubt has been cleared. One more doubt I have. Can I share?
Yeah, okay.
The doubt is how can I remove this dot to this?
Yeah, for that you need to learn little bit in-depth CSS. That then only these means the dot has not shifted, no, with the list item. Okay, you go to your
And
code.
in the PDF, it is there is no dot.
Okay, you go to your code. Go to your code. Yeah, you go to your style tag. Go your where you have a style tag. Go there. Now style tag. See, now you write select the all the li. Select li. Select li. Good, Adesh. Good. Li. Then you write flower bucket. Then you write list style type. List. List. List style type. None. Colon none. Now you try. Okay. This is a CSS property through which a least bulleted point you can remove.
Also, I want to know how to preview it here only.
How to?
Output has been previewed here only, na, on this sheet.
Yeah. There are some, see here, it's a split window is there, no? This
Which
split
one, sir?
window, yeah, this one, yeah, this one. This is
But
not the split.
No,
Run it and check. Run it, it will come.
he has to download the previewer.
Previewer he has to download, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, he is not there. Previewer, PRE. Previewer. Preview. Preview.
Thomas H. Third one. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, now run the application. Right click on the code file and open it in the server you do. No. How to get the output in the same window?
Yeah. Open your close this index.html. Rest of the files.
No.
This one.
There is a this is. Click on it.
Yeah. Okay.
But it's different from there.
It's different from, no, that is okay. You have not, see, you have not used the proper styling, proper family name you have not used. Randomly you have used the family name. That's why maybe it is not properly how it was there in the output. Okay.
No, what I'm saying is it is different on the here. Here it is underlined also, but there it's not underlined.
Okay. No, you just save it again, and then run it.
Okay. This one's
Run it again and then open the previewer again. Go back there.
Preview shows the changes simultaneously. But it is not sure.
No, just make it Roboto to Open Sans. You make it to Roboto. Open Sans. Yeah, make it Roboto. Let's see. Yeah, it is changing, no? It is changing. It has changed. It is changing. This.
But underline is not sure. Okay, I'll check.
Okay, yeah, maybe. Yeah, check it out. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how can we remove the dots of?
Yeah, you just now I have explained to Adesh. No, you didn't listen. Share your screen. I'll tell you.
Sir, I was doing something.
Okay, fine. Go to your code in the internal CSS, internal embedded CSS. Where you write embedded CSS.
Yeah.
No, it is a inline. I want internal CSS. There you have it. There you select LI. Flower bucket. List style type. List style type. No, list style type together. No, type is hyphen. You'll see in the intelligence, you'll see. Second one. Yeah, change it to none. Change it to none. And remove the extra double semicolon. 2 semicolon is there, remove it. 1. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Remember this. This is very important property.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir,
Yes.
can I share my screen?
Yes.
Sir, I am facing problem in internal styling and class selector.
Okay.
So, sir, I have created a dot paragraph over here property. I'm passing it as a class. Sorry, I have created class.
Text decoration cannot be brown. Text decoration either underline, it can be underline. Okay, color brown. Okay, fine. Hmm. Yeah, where is your doubt, Harsha? Tell me.
Okay, got clear.
Got
This
clear?
was better.
Okay, okay.
I'm doing silly mistakes.
Okay, everyone, let's take a 10 minutes break. Okay, and we'll resume our session at 4 o'clock. I'll just inform Sangeeta. Yeah, Jitesh, are you there, Jitesh? Jitesh, are you there? Hello.